Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at TJ Maxx and I found some amazing clearance deals up to 70% off. So it's now or never, and let's dive right into what I found. The first I found junior goggles, which is of green color and it is for ages 4 plus. The original price is $9.99 and now it's selling for $4.99. And there's a warning, chalking hazard, not for children under 3 years. I also found the same junior goggles in orange with the same deal and age recommendation, and these are perfect for young swimmers just starting out. The next I found character goggles Baby Shark Blue for ages 3 plus. The original price is $5.99 and now it's selling for $2.99, and there's a warning, not for children under 3 years due to small parts. So there is swim mask green color for ages 6 plus. The original price is $14.99 and now selling for $7.49. And this mask has a wide lens for better underwater visibility, perfect for little explorers. The next I found float vest and goggles set, which is of pink color for ages 2 to 3 years. Original price is $9.99 and this is a complete beginner swim set, great for toddlers just learning to be in the water. So the next here is beach paddle outdoor game, not for children under 3 years. The original price is $14.99 and now it's selling for $9.74. The next I found kids swimming accessories kit for ages 6 plus. And the original price is $24.99. The discount is 45% off, now selling for $13.74. And it includes a variety of furry swim gear to get your kids excited for the pool. Here is the kitty inflatable body board, dinosaur themed. Original price is $9.99 and now selling for $5.49. Great for little dino lovers. And the next there is inflatable swim set Baby Shark theme, includes one float, a pair of armbands, 3D inflatable ball, goggles. Original price is $9.99 and now selling for $11.99. It's a very good deal. It's 40% off. The quality is so good. The next I found Lie On surfboard, the tropical design. It's 6 feet 5 inches long for ages 14 plus. The original price is $19.99 and now selling for $10.99. It's recommended for 14 plus ages. The next I found outdoor ball game, wooden balls for ages 6 plus. And not for children under 3 years. The original price is $19.99 and now selling for $10.99. Includes size details and all the packagings on the box. And the next I found 3D mesh pool lounger for ages 14 plus. The original price is $19.99 and now selling for $10.99. Relax in style and comfort in the pool. It's so good. And it is on 45% off. Now selling for $10.99. The next I found giant inflatable sprinkler, octopus design, 5 foot 7 inches tall for ages 3 plus. Original price is $29.99 and now selling for $17.99. And they also have another sprinkler that sprinkles in 3 directions. It sprinkles 3 times more, recommended for 3 plus years. And there is a warning, chalking hazard, small parts. And the next I found hop, skip and splash game, and it's recommended for ages 4 plus. Great fun for active kids. And there is also a warning here. And all the instructions mentioned on the box. There is a kiddie floor dinosaur design for ages 3 to 6 years and up to 66 lbs. Original price is $9.99 and now it's selling for $5.49 with 40% off. And the next here is Lux Pool Rings, 4 feet wide for ages 8 plus. The original price is $14.99, 4 feet wide, and now selling for $8.99. And there are so many stylish designs to choose from. There is one seashell design. Various designs are available in this and you can choose from them. And the next I found giant pickup sticks. It's 20 inches long and it's recommended for ages 6 plus. The original price is $5.99 and now it's selling for $3.29 and this is on 40% off. And the next I found inflatable armbands for ages 3 to 6 years and up to 66 lbs. The original price is $5.99 and now it's selling for $2.99. Multiple cute designs are available and you can choose from them. And there is another kiddie float, another dino design for ages 3 to 6 years up to 66 lbs. The original price is $9.99 and now selling for $5.49. And the next, this one is also one armband, same price. It's going on the same deal for 3 to 6 years and there's a warning, choking hazard, small parts. Clearance up to 70% off. Kiddie float, the one I show you, it's $5.49. Original price is $9.99. This is the inflatable sprinkler octopus design. Original price is $14.99 and it's now selling for $8.24. It's on 45% off. As I told you, there is like up to 70% off. The next I found is inflatable tic-tac-toe game, 4 feet wide for ages 6 plus. The original price is $19.99 and now selling for $9.99. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and love a good deal, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more amazing finds. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.